depose, remove someone from a post suddenly and forcefully. Synonym: remove, displace, oust. Antonym: appoint, elect, inaugurate. Furtive, behaving in a way that you want to hide something. Synonym: secretive, stealthy, clandestine. Antonym: overt, obvious, transparent. Dart, a scarcity or lack of something. Synonym: deficiency, paucity, insufficiency. Antonym: abundance, surplus, plenty. Desecrate, to treat a sacred place or object with disrespect. Synonym: violate, defile, profane. Antonym: honor, sanctify, consecrate. Tawdry, showy but cheap and of poor quality. Synonym: gaudy, flash, tacky. Antonym: elegant, refined, sophisticated. Absurd, to find result or outcome of a process, event or discussion. Synonym: result, outcome, conclusion. Antonym: cause, origin, beginning. Contaminate, to make something dirty, dangerous or less pure. Synonym: pollute, spoil, befoul. Antonym: purify, sanitize, clean. Illicit, not approved by the law, illegal. Synonym: illegal, unlawful, illegitimate. Antonym: lawful, permitted, legal. Resourceful, good at finding a ways of doing things and solving problems. Synonym: ingenious, inventive, versatile. Antonym: incompetent, clueless, helpless. Alluring, attractive and seductive in an enticing way. Synonym: enticing, captivating, seductive. Antonym: repellent, dull, repulsive. Juvenile, relating to a young person who is not yet old enough to be considered an adult. Synonym: adolescent, immature, childish. Antonym: mature, dull, sophisticated. Deflate, to let the air or gas out of something, causing it to collapse or shrink. Synonym: collapse, shrink, diminish. Antonym: inflate, expand, boost. Boisterous, noisy, energetic and cheerful. Synonym: loud, energetic, raucous. Antonym: calm, subdued, mellow. Vehement, showing strong feeling. Synonym: passionate, intense, fervent. Antonym: mild, indifferent, apathetic. Comical, funny in a strong or silly way. Synonym: funny, humorous, ridiculous. Antonym: serious, boring, solemn. Shrill, of a voice or sound characterized by a sharp, high and penetrating quality. Synonym: piercing, harsh, cacophonous. Antonym: mellow, smooth, soft. Skeptic, a person who questions or doubts accepted opinion, claim or beliefs. Synonym: cynic, disbeliever, pessimist. Antonym: optimist, advocate, supporter. Grumpy, easily annoyed, in a bad mood. Synonym: irritable, cranky, grouchy. Antonym: cheerful, pleasant, happy. Despondency, the quality of being unhappy with no hope or enthusiasm. Synonym: depression, despair, gloom. Antonym: hope, optimism, elation. Serene: calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Synonym: tranquil, calm, placid. Antonym: agitated, chaotic, anxious. Squirm: to move about in distress as a result of fear or shame. Synonym: wriggle, fidget, wiggle. Antonym: still, steady, relax. Reverie: an abstracted, dreamy, or imaginative state of mind. Synonym: daydream, fantasy, trance. Antonym: focus, concentration, alertness. Comments: to begin or start something. Synonym: initiate, embark, inaugurate. Antonym: conclude, terminate, case. Outflow: the movement of a large amount of money, liquid, people, etc. out of a place. Synonym: discharge, emission, drainage. Antonym: absorption, influx, accumulation. Ghastly: extremely awful. Synonym: horrible, gruesome, appalling. Antonym: pleasant, delightful, applying. Uniformity: the state of overall sameness or being identical in every way. Synonym: consistency, conformity, homogeneity. Antonym: variation, variety, diversity. Confound: to cause confusion or surprise in someone. Synonym: perplex, baffle, mystify. Antonym: clarify, enlighten, assure. Ebullient: cheerful and full of energy. Synonym: enthusiastic, exuberant, effervescent. Antonym: gloomy, apathetic, melancholic. Upright: of a person behaving in a moral and honest way. Synonym: righteous, upstanding, ethical. Antonym: dishonest, corrupt, immoral. Incinerate: to burn something completely. Synonym: consume, ignite, cremate. Antonym: extinguish, douse, quench. Vanquish: to defeat or overcome someone completely. Synonym: conquer, subdue, crush. Antonym: surrender, yield, succumb. Accolade: prize or an award for an achievement that people admire. Synonym: tribute, recognition, commendation. Antonym: criticism, reprimand, condemnation. Wisp: a small, thin piece of fair grass. Synonym: compact, petite, minor. Antonym: abundance, heap, condemnation. Conformity: acting according to certain accepted standards. Synonym: compliance, adherence, alignment. Antonym: rebellion, dissent, defiance. Quaint: attractive in an unusual or old-fashioned way. Synonym: charming, idyllic, enchanting. Antonym: modern, ordinary, unremarkable. Hysterious: an uncontaminable crying or laughing spell. Synonym: panic, agitation, outburst. Antonym: calm, composure, serenity. Rue: to feel regret or remorse for something. Synonym: lament, repent, mourn. Antonym: rejoice, realize, delight. Incarcerate: to imprison or confine someone, typically as a punishment or a crime. Synonym: confine, detain, imprison. Antonym: release, liberate, discharge. Impose: to introduce a new rule, punishment. Enforce: dictate, command. Antonym: withdraw, relief, revoke. Melancholy, a feeling of deep sadness. Synonym: gloom, sorrow, despair. Antonym: cheerfulness, elation, contentment. Proactive, taking action to make changes yourselves rather than reacting to things that happen. Synonym: enterprising, energetic, driven. Antonym: reactive, neglectful, inactive. Joyless, without happiness. Synonym: miserable, gloomy, dismal. Antonym: joyful, cheerful, exuberant. Interacts, to communicate with somebody, especially while you work, play, or spend time with them. Synonym: communicate, engage, collaborate. Antonym: ignore, avoid, isolate. Worsened, to become worse or more severe. Synonym: deteriorated, degraded, exacerbated. Antonym: improved, better, ameliorated. Cowardice, lack of bravery. Synonym: timidity, fearfulness, spinelessness. Antonym: courage, bravery, valor. Lenient, not strict in enforcing rules, laws, or discipline. Synonym: merciful, tolerant, indulgent. Antonym: strict, harsh, severe, blunt, very direct in one's word, usually in a negative manner and in a rude way. Synonym: frank, candid, abrupt. Antonym: tasteful, polite, diplomatic. Impulsive, tending to make decisions without thinking. Spontaneous. Synonym: spontaneous, hasty, impetuous. Antonym: cautious, deliberate, planned. Massive, very large, heavy, and solid. Synonym: huge, hasty, gigantic. Antonym: teeny, petite, slight. Fluctuate, to change, especially continuously and between one level or thing and another. Synonym: waver, oscillate, swing. Antonym: stabilize, steady, persist. Confidential, something that is private or secret. Synonym: private, classified, personal. Antonym: public, often, transparent. Pitiable, deserving pity or sympathy. Synonym: miserable, pathetic, sorrowful. Antonym: joyful, fortunate, contempt. Sarcastic, intended to ridicule or express scorn in a humorous or cutting manner. Synonym: sardonic, mocking, satirical. Antonym: genuine, courteous, respectful. Troublesome, causing a lot of problems for someone. Synonym: annoying, bothersome, vexing. Antonym: convenient, helpful, obedient. Ambitious, strongly desirous and determined to succeed. Synonym: aspiring, determined, goal-oriented. Antonym: lazy, unambitious, unaspiring. Elegance, being graceful and stylish in appearance. Synonym: grace, finesse, refinement. Antonym: crudeness, clumsiness, roughness. Desperate, a feeling of hopelessness in which someone is willing to try the impossible to solve a problem. Synonym: hopeless, despairing, anxious. Antonym: confident, calm, optimistic. Nepotism, the practice of showing favoritism, especially in business or politics. Synonym: bias, partially, patronage. Antonyms: fairness, impartiality, equality.